Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get no ads on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to completely remove ads on Spotify, the only way to do that is to subscribe to a Spotify premium plan. It provides ad-free listening across all devices. Here I'm on my premium plan, so I don't get ads like in the free account. So you can purchase the Spotify premium plan in order to get no ads. For now, I'll open my free account. If you have a free account, you will see the option to get premium like this. So you can simply tap on it. You can tap on view all plans. You can explore different subscription plans of Spotify and purchase the one that is good for you. You can even check out all the benefits that you'll get from these plans. As you can see over here, all the premium plans include ad-free music listening. So there won't be any ads on Spotify premium plans. So that's it. That's the only way to get no ads on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.